Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G84 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and at the search full enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes, I agree, pick to close and tap to OK. And after that, you'll see here information about your battery health, and in my case, battery is in a good condition. And also I got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.